Let's practice our 3D AutoCAD drawing. Just open the workspace. Today we're going to see how to design a helical gear, and by finally we're gonna add a material. In case if you need a PDF drawing that we practiced before, just I will mention my mail ID in the description box. Kindly mail me within 1 or 2 days. I will try to send you the PDF file. Okay, let's start. One space, type decimal, precision 0.0, units millimeter. Okay, then we gonna give a layer LA space. By clicking the yellow color, we gonna give a name helical gear for HG. By clicking the green color tick, it will set as current layer. Just close it. Now we gonna use our home screen. We're gonna draw a circle. C space coordinates x0 tab y0 space diameter space 55 dia. To repeat the command, C space 0 tab 0 space D for diameter 40. C space 0 tab 0 xy0 space D for diameter 26 dia. Then C space 0 tab 0 space D for diameter 21 dia. Then C space 0 tab 0 space D for diameter 9 dia. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a rectangular REC space. Left click the mouse, move downwards. D for diameter, distance, length 2 space, width 2 space. Left click the mouse. Now we're gonna give XL space extra line 0 tab 0. Oh sorry, we're gonna draw a line L space 0 tab 0 space to this. Okay. Now we're gonna M space move the object space. Pick the midpoint. We're gonna paste it over here. Just click the rectangular box. We're gonna explode by giving X space. Pick the object. We're gonna erase. Going to erase. We're going to extend this line EX double space. Click the line over here. Click the line over here. Then click the line E for erase, TR for double space, trim the object. Now we're going to join, make it a single object, J space, just click the object over here, space. Okay. Now we going to extrude the object over here, dia 55. For the DDI space, just I will show you the reference. I'm gonna give diameter over here. Just you can cross check while you practicing. Okay. E for erase. Okay. Now we're gonna extrude by giving EXT space. Click the outer dia 55 space. Move downwards to 8 mm. Because we're gonna do some modifications by using these circles to make a helical gear. Now we're going to give a chamfer for 4 CHA shortcut space. Click the corner over here. In case if you need next, if you give next, it will show the next. Okay, now give current layer 4 for chamfer distance space. Again repeat the space. Just click the corner. Sorry, just click the corner space. Okay. Now just go to top view. Now we're gonna draw a line L space x0 tab y0 space. Just up to here, just draw a line. Now we're gonna trim the object. Escape, click the object, erase. Just click the 3D object, right click, and going to hide the object. Now we're gonna draw a line, 2 lines. The first line distance is 1. To repeat the command space, left click the mouse, drag downwards, we're gonna give distance 2 mm. M space, just click the 1 mm object, pick the midpoint, and we're going to paste it over here. To repeat the process space, just click the 2 mm 2 mm length space, pick the midpoint, we're going to paste it over here. Now we're going to use arc arc command space 3-point arc. This is the first point, and this is second point, this is third. Tr double space. Okay, now we're going to mirror the object. Mi space, click the object that we're gonna mirror space, just pick it from midpoint to midpoint space. Now by using our scroll button, just zoom in, pick the 2 mm dia, E for erase. Okay, pick the center point, just erase it. Now we're gonna join the object. Okay, now we're going to array the object. AR for shortcut array space, click the object over here space, polar coordinates x0 tab y0 space, just click the items. Now we're gonna draw the teeth. I need teeth for 30, so 30 space to make it perfect. Tr double space, just we're gonna trim the line over here. Now just click the array portions, just we're gonna do explode, X for explode. Now it has been changed to many objects, so click the inner object. Now we're gonna hide it through isolate and hide objects. Now we're gonna join the objects, so click the entire object space. Now you have joined. Just go to home screen, 2D wireframe change to shades of gray, right click, go to isolate, end object isolation. Okay, now we're gonna draw a line, L space coordinate 0 tab 0 space, just drag upward to the length of 14 mm, escape. Give sweep command, sweep space, just click the object over here, polyline space. In case if I give straightly line, the sweep command will be like this, so control Z. So I need to scale, same sweep space, click the polylines space and go to scale. I'm gonna give a scale of 0.65 space. Now click the center line. Okay, this is the reason we're giving scale. Now we're gonna do, just click the two object over here, right click, we're gonna hide the object. Now we're gonna do extension, ext extrude space, move downwards, then reg space, sub subtract, click the outermost space, click the inner region space. Okay, right click, go to isolate, end of it isolation. Okay, Now we're gonna extrude the object over here, ext space, click over here, it will show the region or 3D. We need region, space, move upward, move to a particular distance. Now we're gonna do subtract, sub space, click the object, 3D object, space, click the dia over here, space. Now we have cut the section over here, same. Now we're going to do subtract, sub space, click the 3D object over here, space, click the bottom over here, space. Then we're going to make it a single object by giving the command union, space, click the entire object, space. Now we have changed to single object. Okay, as usual, click the object. Now we're going to make it to hide. Then we're going to do extrusion, click the object down, pull it down towards. Then we're going to unhide the object. Now we're going to use subtract, sub space, just click the bottom area, space, just click the orbit, just left click and use to see our 3D helical gear. Now we're going to add a material by giving command mat space. Just click the auto library, just go to metal, just move downwards by using your scroll button. Just we're gonna give material for, just I'm gonna give steel cast. Just left click, just don't take the hand, just drag towards and just take your hands, just close the material. Okay, we can see our material by in two ways. First, the way is just click the shades of gray, go to realistic. In realistic, will shows the material. The second type is just go to visualize, just go to material bar structure off, just click it over here, make it on. Okay, these are the ways that we're going to design a helical gear. Thanks.